What's up, besties? I'm back with another tutorial, and it's absolutely no shade. Shout out to I Like Hair Wig for sending me this. I can't even say bust down. I'm gonna say new down, because what are these 4C African American edges they fit me? Okay, like this is a 7x7 closure. I never even installed no closure that big. And you know, it came with some more realistic baby hairs. And at first I was like, what is this? But then I had to really like get into it. I bleached the knots, I plucked it. And I was like, okay, I Like Hair might have did something with this. This is for the girls who don't know how to do baby hairs and them swoopy loops and all these different styles. All you have to do is just set these, and it's like, it's cute. It looks like it's coming out your scalp, no shade. So I'm into this type of wig. I think all the girls should try it because it look crazy when it come out the package, but when you really style it, it's actually really cute and it's no shade. Now, at first I wanted to do a glueless install, but I decided that I wanted to just install it for Kelly. She got to go on Telemundo and make a little TV appearance, and I don't want her wig slipping off. So I said, let me do my bold hold lemon burst for the Telemundo appearance. No shade. We needed this wig on. I only did about 3 quick layers. I cut this lace off with my eyebrow razor. I tinted it with my lace tint that I talked about in a couple videos prior to this one. Check it out if you haven't. And now all you see me doing is just pulling out my baby hairs and hot combing whatever is not going to be, you know, a baby hair. I'm hot combing it back because this was a kinkier texture in the front. So whatever I didn't use for baby hairs, I had to straighten it and basically blend it in with the other hair. And now I'm just defining my middle part because I wanted it to be a bust down for the Telemundo appearance. And honestly, you could leave it at that. I just wanted to go a step further and tie the lace down and really set it with my spray. And then after I did that, I also went back in and set it with my mousse. Because once you wet this hair, it's in the front, the baby hairs get very, very curly and realistic looking. So I said, okay, let me blotch some mousse on the top of the baby hairs and then just tie it down. So I didn't brush them, I didn't swoop them. All I did was blot the mousse on the baby hair and tie the hair back down, and it came out so natural. So right here you can see me using the mousse and blotching it on top of the baby hairs. I didn't swoop them. I didn't try to create no C formation. I just put it on top and tied it back down. And that's how we got the natural look. She blow dried it real quick. And this is the finished product. It's really no shade. Look how realistic that is. That's her baby edges. That's her hair. It is really no shade. Shout out to I Like Hair for sending the bust down. The wig was so full. The curls were so luscious on this wig. I will put all the information in my description below, so check them out. And it's no shade. Keep subscribing to my channel. Follow my Instagram, my social medias, and period.